Hey, I'm Ben from AutoGreat Consultants, where we help small businesses automate their processes with AI tools. So we build everything from apps to internal workflows and agentic systems. So today I'm setting up Google authorization or authentication with an app that I'm deploying called ServeSwift. And so just wanted to take you through the process because it's a little bit confusing. So first step that you'll want to do is go to your Google Cloud platform. So you just sign in with Google Cloud Platform, and you should come here after you've created a project. It should show up like this, but you can click into the project. And the first thing that you'll want to do is go to APIs and services, and then we'll go to our OAuth consent screen, and then it'll change our menu over here to something that looks a little bit different. So this is the dashboard. First step that you'll want to start with, though, is go to the branding where you can input the app name, support email, and just some other details to get everything going. So privacy policy, terms of service. And once you have this done, then what we'll want to do next is come to the clients. And with the clients, if you click into this, there's a few different things that you'll get once you create that. So you'll get a client ID and then the client secret, which is really important. And then what we'll do with this info is we'll come back to Supabase. And when you go into the authentication with Supabase and you come into the different providers, you can come down here to Google and then configure it. You'll input the client ID and the secret, and then you'll take the callback URL, and we'll bring that back here where we can input the authorized redirect URIs. So with that, you have everything that you need to get going. You can go ahead and save, and then from there you should be able to test. And then once you test, instead of having a redirect that doesn't work, it should look like this, where you get to the Google sign-in. So this is much different than getting an app approved with Google. So it's a very simple process, takes 5-10 minutes if we can go through all the steps without any hiccups. But hopefully that's helpful. Something that tripped me up a little bit as I was coming through. Some additional verifications that are also useful to change the URL as well. So that'll be in a subsequent video. But if you're looking for help, whether it's building an application or integrating AI into your business, feel free to reach out to us at AutoGreat Consultants. That's support at autogreatconsultants.com or Ben at AutoGreat Consultants. You can also go to our website to schedule a time to talk with us.